Welcome to Car Kings TV. Today, we dive into the world of bespoke luxury and performance with a masterpiece that blends British elegance with German precision, the Rolls-Royce Wraith by MANSORY. At its core, the Wraith is already a striking symbol of opulence and power. But when MANSORY, the renowned German tuner known for pushing boundaries, takes over, the result is nothing short of breathtaking. This isn't just a luxury coupe, it's an artistic statement on wheels. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Wraith by MANSORY commands attention. The body has been entirely reworked with a widebody kit crafted from ultra-light carbon fiber. The front apron is redesigned with larger air intakes and integrated LED daytime running lights, giving the vehicle a more aggressive yet graceful presence. The hood is vented, hinting at the beast that lies beneath, while the carbon side skirts lower the visual center of gravity, enhancing the sporty stance. Around the back, the changes are just as bold. A new rear diffuser and spoiler improve aerodynamics, and the custom-designed exhaust system doesn't just look good, it announces the Wraith's arrival with a deep, resonant growl. The bespoke 22-inch wheels complete the exterior package, giving the car a menacing yet elegant silhouette. Under the hood, the MANSORY tuned Wraith isn't all show. The 6.6-liter V12 engine gets a power boost from 624 horsepower to a jaw-dropping 740 horsepower. Torque jumps to a massive 1,000 Newton-meters, pushing this luxury cruiser from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. That's supercar territory, in a vehicle that weighs over 2.4 tons and pampers its occupants like a private jet. Step inside and the transformation continues. MANSORY's interior craftsmanship is second to none. Everything from the seats to the dashboard is reupholstered in premium leather and Alcantara, often in bold color combinations that mirror the exterior theme. Carbon fiber accents, custom embroidery, and ambient lighting come together to create a cabin that's both futuristic and regal. Even the steering wheel is custom-made, offering a firmer, more performance-oriented grip without sacrificing comfort. But what truly sets the Wraith by MANSORY apart is its exclusivity. Each build is a one-of-one, tailored to the client's vision. Whether it's the color scheme, materials, or performance tuning, everything is customizable. This level of personalization ensures no two MANSORY Wraiths are ever the same. Driving the MANSORY Wraith is a surreal experience. It's the perfect harmony between raw power and refined elegance. You can glide silently through the city or unleash the full fury of the V12 on open roads. Either way, you're doing it in a way only a handful of people on Earth ever will. In a world of mass production, the Rolls-Royce Wraith by MANSORY stands as a symbol of individuality, craftsmanship, and performance. It's more than a car, it's an identity, crafted for those who demand the extraordinary. Thanks for watching Car Kings TV.